Okay, so Toby borrows £500 whilst he's waiting to be paid. Okay, and then when he gets paid, then in 3 weeks he's going to pay it back. But he's got to pay back more than £500 because there's interest that's added on to this, so that the company he borrows from will make a bit of a profit. Okay, now they are charging 2% per day. Okay, compound interest, and that's got to be applied every day. Okay, and if you think about it, 3 weeks. So you don't want to be doing 2% every day for 3 weeks. You'd have to do it 21 times. So what we can do, we can use a multiplier. And you just need to appreciate, he starts off with owing £500, doesn't he? That's what he's borrowed. Okay, so that sort of represents the initial, the 100%, the whole amount at the start. But then we've got to add interest to it, and the interest is 2%. So if I add 2%, okay, 102 will become 102%, and that's where I get my multiplier. So multiplier, remember, has got to be in the form of a decimal, so we can do calculations on our calculator. So you change that to a decimal, and of course 102%, well, it's just 102 divided by 100, which would be 1.02, and you can check that on your calculator. So this is my multiplier. Okay, in other words, now if I times £500 by 1.02, I would get how much he would owe after just 1 day. Yeah, okay, so you could try it out. All right, we could do this here, and after 1 day he would owe 500 times 1.02, it would be £510. Okay, so he's already having to pay £10 just for the first day. But of course then there's a second day, so you've got to times by 1.02 again. Okay, so whatever the answer is to that, which we've just worked out to be 510, you've got to times it by 1.02 for the second day, and then for the third day, and for the fourth day, and so on. Right, now we could go on, and there's going to be 21 days in 3 weeks, so we've got to times by 1.02 21 times. Okay, well, instead of writing it out 21 times, what we can do is just put it to the power 21. Okay, that's the same thing as timesing by itself 21 times. So 500 times 1.02 to the power 21, and if I press equals, I get this there, right? So we get £757, and if we chop off then 2 decimal places for money, so it'll be 83 pence as well. £757.83.